Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, ZTE Nubia Redmagic 6R device, and now I can show you how to install free VPN on this device. Okay, firstly open your Play Store and find here Turbo VPN application. Find it and install. Now at this time, let's check how websites see your location without VPN. So open your web browser and find here 2ip.io website. Thanks to this website we can check how all websites see our location. For example, in my case it's Poland and it's true. But now open your free Turbo VPN. Click on the cross in the left top corner and click on the caret on the center of your screen. Then click on the cross in the right top corner and cool, now we are successfully connected to VPN servers. So now just reload 2ip.io web page, and as you can see now we are in United Kingdom. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.